Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, what you all are doing? Have you revising your concept on daily basis? Yes, very good. Okay, so is there any doubt which you came along when you are doing revision? So is there any doubt जो आपको मैम से पूछना है? In any of the concept, in the phonic sounds, in your maths concept. If there is any doubt, so you feel free to ask me. Okay? So students, let's start our today class, our today session with our very first subject, which is English. Okay? So students, this is your English book. Today we're gonna do in our writing skills book. Okay? So you have to bring out your child-centric writing skills book joyfully. Okay? And for writing, what you will need? You need pen? No, you need pencil and a sharp pencil. Okay? And you must have eraser with you. So hurry up, go and bring out your writing skills book. Along with it, you have to bring a sharp pencil and eraser. Okay? Till then, I will open your book. So let's open your book. Come on page number 7 of your book. So this is your page number 7. First of all, let's talk about our previous session. तो आपने अभी अपने previous session में recently you have completed your unit A, है ना? We have completed our unit A in our recent sessions. Okay, so what we are going to complete in our unit A, we are doing the three-letter words with A sound. Okay, so what is the sound of A? बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट कि आप बीच बीच में यू डू अ रीकैप ऑफ योर प्रीवियस कंसेप्ट एज वेल, है ना? इसलिए मैम आपको बीच बीच में क्या करवाते हैं? वी डिड अ रीकैप, ओके, ताकि आपका जो वर्क है वो रिवाइज होते रहे. तो इन आवर प्रीवियस सेशन वी डिड द ए लेटर वर्ड्स. फाइन. सो हु विल टेल मी व्हाट इज द साउंड ए लेटर गिव? A sound. Yes. So A will give you sound A. As say anak, a long sound it will give you. Okay. After that, okay. First of all, give me any three examples of three-letter words with A sound. So you have to give me any three. Raise your hands and give me a quick answer. Who will tell me? Hurry up, hurry up. I want a quick answer from you all. Yes, cat. Very good. That's good. Ma'am, hat. Yes, it's right. So, what are the three letter A words? First, you said hat, H, her, at, the, hat. That means you are doing revision. Hat, and what next word? Ma'am, cat. Very good. Yes, it's right. So, okay, only one word left. Tell me another word with A sound. Ma'am, at, mat. Very good. Yes. So here I'll write. Okay, students, this pencil is not flexible, so I am facing a little bit issue while writing. Okay, but you please write the formation correctly. Okay, matter, mat, right? So these are the three letter words with A words. Okay, तो जब भी आप अपना रिवाइज करते हो कोई भी न्यू कंसेप्ट, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू डू अ न्यू वर्कशीट एज वेल, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपने क्विक रिकैप करना है. ठीक है, चाहे आप अपने माइंड में ओरली ही रिवाइज कर लो दैट व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ थ्री लेटर वर्ड्स जो मैम ने मुझे प्रीवियस करवाए थे. ओके, तो आपका प्रीवियस कंसेप्ट के साथ एक लिंक भी बना रहता है और आपका वो कंसेप्ट रिवाइज भी होता रहता है. ठीक है, चलो. नाउ मैम विल मैम इज गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू द ई लेटर वर्ड्स, है ना? अभी मैम ने प्रीवियस सेशंस में आपको ई लेटर वर्ड्स भी इंट्रोड्यूस करे हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू टेल मी द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ लेटर ई. व्हाट इज द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ लेटर ई? E, the sound is A, like M, A, N, right? So the sound is A, and here the sound is A, A, A. Here short sound A, here long sound. A. Okay. So like m, a, n, men, m, a, n, men. Okay, what next? The next is p, a, n, pen. P, a, n, pen. Okay, the next answer I want from you all. Ma'am, n at net. Very good. Yes, n at net. So see, हमने कितनी जल्दी we did a recap of our both sound, right? So now we will come towards our today class, students. What we have to do today. Recap तो आपने करना है, but what is the main thing which you have to do today? So that's the writing part which you have to do. First of all, I will erase this. Okay, so this is a new worksheet, page number 7, which you have to open today, and then you have to do the writing portion in this worksheet. So as this is a new worksheet, so the very first thing which you have to do is, ma'am, date. Yes, you have to write today date on top. Okay. So first of all, without wasting your time, you have to write the first thing, which is today date. Mention today date over here, students. On top here you have to mention today date, circle what's the date today, and then go outside, observe how the weather is, and then circle the particular clip art. Okay, this is the main thing which you have to do. Okay, so the caption is three letter words with E. So today also we are revising our three letter words with E. Some are the previous one जो मैम ने पहले ही आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, और कुछ जो आप वर्ड्स करोगे वो कैप करोगे, दे those are new to you but the sound is same, E A, right? Okay, so let's see what is given below for us. ओके, हेयर इट्स रिटन राइट अ सेंटेंस. तो आपको क्या करना है, जैसे आपने प्रीवियस वर्कशीट्स में अपनी सेंटेंस राइट किया था, दिस इज द सेम फॉर्मेट विच इज गोइंग टू फॉलो विद ईच letter. Okay, when you are doing the E sound words or I sound words, O sound words, so this is the basically same pattern which is going to follow in this book. One day you will write the words, then the next day you try to read the sentences with three letters, other day you did the writing practice of those sentences. Okay, so this is the format which is going all through in this booklet. फाइन. सो आपने क्या करना है, राइट अ सेंटेंस फॉर ईच पिक्चर. यहाँ पे आपको पिक्चर्स गिवन है, तो आपने एक सेंटेंस लिखना है फॉर ईच पिक्चर. The very first one is done for you. It's your help. It's a hint that how you gonna complete this worksheet. ओके, तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले वी डोंट हैव टू राइट द सेंटेंस, वी हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज दोज पिक्चर. ठीक है, हमें सेंटेंस लिखने से पहले ये पता भी तो होना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज देयर इन दिस पिक्चर, राइट? तो सबसे पहले वी हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज ऑल दोज pictures and then we will start writing. Okay, so first of all, see this picture, the very first picture. Tell me what is there in this picture. Ma'am, this is web. Yes, this is a web. Who live in this? Ma'am, spider. Yes, this is a web and spider will live in this cute web. Okay, so now come over here, students. What is this? I told you earlier that this is a leg. What is this? This is a leg. Do you have a leg? Yes. How many legs do you have? Tell me. Ma'am, two. Very good. And any one of you have three legs? No. Okay. Nice. Okay, the next picture is, what is there in this picture? Ma'am, this is a net. What is this? Net. Yes, this is a net. Okay, now see the next picture. this look like a coin, है ना? It's look like a coin, but what we call it? This is a yen. हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? We call this a yen, right? Okay, the next picture. Have you ever seen this picture before? Yes, ma'am. It's look like a den. ये क्या है? Den. Lion will live inside this den, right? It's his home. Okay, this is a wooden box, है ना? In which we store something. तो इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? This is a new vocab to you all. ठीक है, बेसिकली आपने two new vocab करी है. एक ये जो ऊपर coin है, what we call it? We call it as yen. And this is also a new vocab which is new to you. We call this wooden box as keg. What we call it? Keg. Right? So now one by one we will write all those sentences over here. Okay, one thing I want to mention you students, wait. Okay, one thing I want to mention you that whenever you start writing your sentences, okay, जब भी आप अपने सेंटेंस राइट कर रहे हो तो यू हैव टू राइट इन बिटवीन ब्लू लाइन्स. ठीक है, जो आपकी ब्लू लाइन्स है उसके बीच में लिखना है आपने. डोंट कम आउट ऑफ द ब्लू लाइन के बाहर नहीं आना है. राइट, टेक इट एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम टू राइट योर सेंटेंस. योर राइटिंग शुड बी नीट एंड क्लीन, formation should be correct, and while writing those sentences at the end you put a full stop. Okay, what is the meaning of full stop? Why we put a full stop? That means this sentence complete over here. ओके, तो जब भी आप कोई भी सेंटेंस लिख रहे हो तो आफ्टर दैट यू पुट अ फुल स्टॉप. डोंट फॉरगेट टू पुट अ फुल स्टॉप. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट इज द गाइडलाइन फॉर यू ऑल कि आप जब राइटिंग पार्ट अटेम्प्ट करते हो सो डोंट डू ओवर राइटिंग. ध्यान से अपनी फॉर्मेशन को फर्स्ट टाइम में ही करेक्टली मेंटेन करो ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम में आपको बार बार इरेजर यूज करके आपकी ओवर राइटिंग ना हो. ठीक है, तो सारे स्टूडेंट्स इन इस गाइडलाइंस को ध्यान से सुनेंगे और उसको अपनी कॉपीज में, नोटबुक में वैसे ही आपको करना है. ओके, दैट्स इट. Now, the very first one is done for you. You just have to trace this, right? So, what is written over here? Students, if I am gonna ask you a question that what is this? Okay? I am asking you a question in one word. No, ma'am is not asking na क्या है ये, है ना? मैम इज आस्किंग यू इन फुल सेंटेंस व्हाट इज दिस. तो आपको भी सेंटेंस का आंसर फुल सेंटेंस में देना है. ठीक है, so how you gonna say? You have to say, ma'am, this is a web in the way it's written. So here you have to trace it. Take your pencil along in your hands and trace it properly. Put a full stop. Then I'm gonna start from here, okay? But you have to trace this and then you have to come over here. Okay, so what is this there in this picture? This is a leg. Okay, so this is already written over here. Is also written, a is also written. What you have to do, you have to trace it. Okay, so I am writing over here as leg. This is a leg. Your formation should be correct. I am having some issue with my pencil. Okay, and this is a technical issue. फाइन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, मैम की फॉर्मेशन थोड़ी खराब हो सकती है या गलत हो सकती है, बट ट्राई टू मेक योर फॉर्मेशन करेक्टली. फाइन. ल ए ग लेग. ल ए ग leg. And what I'll say previously that you have to put a full stop in last. So this is a leg, right? Now come down. What is there in this picture? Ma'am, net. Yes. So how you have to say this? Now here is not written, but you have to write the sentence in same way. This is I S is this is a this is a n at a net. This is a net. No, and sound no sound came from letter N. Which letter? N letter, right? So this is a net. N, no, a. I told you which words we are doing. We are doing E sound words. So here it's E. No, a sound comes from letter E. No, a, the, net. This is a net. This is a net, and put a full stop over here, right? Okay, I told you what is this. Let's see who will remind this. Kya tha ye? Ma'am, this is a yen. Very good. So here you have to write the whole sentence. Full sentence आपको write down करना है. This start with this. T H T H I, wait, T H I S, this is I, this is. Student, I am facing a little bit issue while writing those sentences, but please write formation correctly. Parents, it's a request to you all that you please guide our students to write correct formation. This is a yen. Y, 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 E, Y, A, N, yen. Y, A, N, yen. Okay, students, put a full stop over here in last. This is a yen, right? Come down. Tell me what is this, ma'am? This is a den. Very nice. You are taking interest in all these. This, T H I S. This, T H I S. This is I. S is. This is a. This is a. Okay, one more thing I wanna tell you. Okay, we did it afterwards as well. Okay, those things which are near to us, है ना, वो चीजें जो आपके नियर बाय है, ठीक है, तो उसके लिए आप क्या यूज करते हो? दिस इज अ देन, है ना. और दोज थिंग्स विच आर फार अवे फ्रॉम यू, जो आपसे बहुत दूर हैं, लाइक योर स्कूल, लाइक हॉस्पिटल्स, ओके, जो भी आपसे फार अवे है, जो आपके रीच में नहीं है, सो फॉर दैट वी यूज दैट. ओके, सिंपल बात है दैट जो भी चीज आपके नियर बाय है, जो पास है, उसके लिए आप दिस यूज करोगे, और जो फार अवे है, दूर है, उसके लिए आप क्या यूज करोगे? दैट. ओके, now what is this? This is a keg. What is this? This is a keg. So here you have to write the full sentence. This, T H T H I S. This is a keg. K, A, K, A, egg, keg. This is a keg. What is this? This is a keg, right? Put a full stop in last. So students, this is your today work which you have to complete at your home with full guidance. Okay, parents, it's a request that you have to guide our students while writing those formations. Okay, and one more thing, I want to repeat it again and again. Don't come out of the blue lines. You have to write in between the blue lines. Okay, and don't overwrite it, because I want your notebook should be neat and clean. Fine. So I'm giving you some time. Till then, you complete this worksheet, and afterwards we will do our creative work. So hurry up, jaldi say you have to finish this worksheet, because you all want to do the creative work now. You all like to do creative. So fatapat say you have to complete this worksheet, and then we will start our creative work. Okay, I'm watching you all students. फटाफट से आपको राइट फॉर्मेशन लिखनी है. आई एम वॉचिंग यू. I hope so that you have done this worksheet. Now we will come towards our next subject, which is creative. Okay, so students, now you have to open your drawing files. ठीक है, आप अपनी drawing files open करो. Take a blank sheet, and on top you must have to write the date. Okay, so यहाँ पर आपको date mention करनी है on top. What is the date today? And then we will start just in some seconds. So, what we had covered in our last session, I told you that how you have to draw a board with the help of number one. है ना? So, today I introduced you a duck, right? With the help of number two. So, students, as you see, कि मैम आपको साथ साथ numbers भी revise करवा रहे हैं. Like in our previous class, we had डन आर नंबर वन. है ना, नंबर वन से आपने क्या बनाई थी? यू मेक अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल बोट. तो आज आप क्या करोगे? यू हैव टू मेक अ डक विद द हेल्प ऑफ नंबर टू. सो आपको बिल्कुल ध्यान से देखना है स्क्रीन पे दैट हाउ आई एम गोना डू स्टेप बाय स्टेप टू मेक अ ब्यूटिफुल डक. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. टेक अ शार्प पेंसिल इन योर हैंड्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ओनली सी. ठीक है, आप सिर्फ ऑब्जर्व करो दैट हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट. ठीक है, तो पहले आप सिर्फ ऑब्जर्व करोगे कि कैसे बनानी है डक. फिर वन बाय वन आई एम गिविंग यू इंस्ट्रक्शंस, और फिर आप ड्रॉ करोगे पेंसिल से. ठीक है, अभी सिर्फ आपके पास शार्प पेंसिल होनी चाहिए और इरेजर होनी चाहिए टेबल पर. ओके, तो नाउ आई वॉन्ट अ फुल कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ यू ऑल ऑन स्क्रीन. So I'm taking my pencil. You don't have to take pencil in your hands. Your pencil should be on table. Okay. So अभी सिर्फ आपको स्क्रीन पर देखना है that how I'm gonna draw it. So सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? You have to make two. What you have to make? You have to make two. Like this. Okay. आपने two बनाया like this. Afterwards, what you have to do? You have to make some zigzag like this, and then enlarge it, enlarge it, and then you have to join over here. Okay, then यहाँ पर आपने join किया. Then what you have to do next, students? You have to make a long beak of our duck. What you have to make? You have to make a long beak of our duck. One eye, one eye, like this, right? This is the eye of our duck, beautiful duck. Then here you can make some patrons, right? Like this, some patrons like this here also. Okay, and then यहाँ पर you have to make the legs of our duck straight line, then make two slant line. Here also you have to make straight line and two slants line along with it. Okay, what we will do next, we where is the duck? The duck is there in pond, so you can also make a pond over here, right? Make some curved lines like this. Okay, and make a small pond for our beautiful duck like this. Okay, students, and here you can also make some wavy patterns. Okay, आप यहाँ पे wavy patterns भी draw कर सकते हो just to enhance your worksheet. Fine. So this is how you gonna draw your duck. ओके, अब आई होप सो आपने स्क्रीन को अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व किया कि कैसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ डक. नाउ टेक पेंसिल इन योर हैंड्स. मैम विल इंट्रोड्यूस यू वन बाय वन स्टेप कि आपको कैसे बनाना है. अब आपने मैम के साथ डक को ड्रॉ करना है. ठीक है, सो आई एम ड्रॉइंग अ डक ओवर हेयर. आपने भी मैम के साथ यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, so first of all what you have to do, you have to make a two. What you have to do, you have to make a two like this, like this, right? Have you done it? Okay, now make a zigzag pattern first. Make a zigzag pattern like this, then enlarge it from here and move upward, move upward. Yes, you have to move upward now. Okay, now stop over here. Make a long beak. What you have to make, you have to make a long beak like this, right? Then the next step is that you have to make eye of our duck, beautiful eye of our duck, right? Then you have to make two legs. How? Make one straight line, make one straight line and two slant line along with it. Again, one straight line, two slant line along with it, right? And then inside this over here you have to make some patrons. Okay, this is optional. If you want to do it, so you can, otherwise you can skip this one. Okay, now what we will do, we have to make a pond for our beautiful duck, right? So here I'll make a pond for my duck, a small pond for my duck. So this one is done, and in the pond I'll make some wavy patrons. This is also optional. If you want to do it, so you can, otherwise you can skip this one. Okay, make your art sheet very beautiful. Okay, so today which number we will do, we do number 2, right? What we will do, we will do number 2 and we will draw a duck with the help of number 2. Okay, so ये आपको घर पे complete करना है, then capture a picture and then share it with me. Okay, tomorrow we will do coloring in this art sheet. Okay, so this is all about your today work. Fine. So in this video, what we did, we do the very first subject, which is English. In English, we did sentence writing, and then if we are talking about the creative part, so we draw a duck with the help of number 2, right? So you have to practice this at your home, and if there is any query, so you can ask me in the mentioned time. Okay, that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.